Project going on here. It's a workbench. Nope, just kidding. Thought it was going to be a workbench until I got the perfect window to fit on it. So it's now going to be, as you can see, it had 2x6s. It's going to be my solar furnace. I've lined it with this sort of foil-backed insulation. I have gutter here, piece of gutter running across here. I decided to use gutter because it's springy and it'll seal against the window real well. I have an adapter here for a vent. That'll go like this. Hope that you can see that. Should go about like this in here. In the back. Same thing will happen down on the bottom. Piece of gutter. And we'll have downspouts here, and they will be drilled into here to the gutter, connected with soda pop cans. I'm pretty much copying another fellow guy online. Here's the adaptation of the soda pop can furnace. Using gutters and downspouts. I thought the same thing. I did a search and found him. I'll get his name out there because he deserves credit because he did a good job on his. Anyways, this is what I'm going to be doing. I've got a window out front I got. I'll show later for my glass cover. I'm going to be painting it all black. Would like to get a piece of aluminum in the back here. An actual piece of aluminum to get hot. It'll all be, like I said, painted black. I'll get some more done and get back to you. This is a project that will get done quickly because I have everything I need. Alright.